Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Some things to think about when you're picking out a new operator is location. A lot of people who are in a rural area who lose power often, battery backup is nice to have. Some certain situations where your house doesn't have any power, it might be a good idea to be able to exit your garage in a safe and timely manner. Battery backup is a good way to do that. California passed a law, make it to all motors that they install in their state have to have a battery backup or the capability to be able to do a battery backup. It all started when that big fire down there happened. A lot of people weren't able to leave their garages because of their house didn't have any power because of the fires. It's a very good option to think about. As an example, we carry this model and it comes with a battery backup in it, as well as these nice LED light bulbs to where you don't have to worry about changing the lights. And I always recommend it to all my customers. It's just an added security and a peace of mind.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.